Hello friends, I am Lakshmikant Kapgade, Assistant Professor, Department of English, S.S. Jaiswal College, Arjuni Morgaon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be focusing on LaTeX technology. LaTeX is a free software which is useful for the document preparation. It is most often used for high quality typesetting, and it can be used for almost any form of publishing, for example research paper, article, thesis, books, resume, etc. This LaTeX is an advanced typesetting system which was mainly developed by Donald Knuth. So we will see what is LaTeX. Here LaTeX is a free software or tool that can be used to create your scientific or professional looking document, and it is based on the idea what you see, what you mean. It means the author, or here in LaTeX technology or in LaTeX software or in LaTeX document, the author should focus on the content of his document, and this LaTeX technology will take care of all kind of formatting. So we will see some features. You can use this LaTeX technology or LaTeX editing tool or LaTeX typesetting tool to write a paper for journal, articles, technical reports, books and slide presentation. When author works with the help of LaTeX technology, he has control over large containing section or document where you can set various sections, cross references, tables, figures, images, charts, etc. You can also add various mathematical formulas with the help of this LaTeX software. You can set or resize, you can add images, you can add templates, you can add various things in this LaTeX technology, and you can create your high quality document. You can also multilingual typesetting facilities also available in this software. Dear friends, this LaTeX technology is available or is working, or it supports with various operating system, for example Linux, Mac OS, Windows. It is available offline as well as online. When we talk about online section, there are various online services which helps LaTeX technology to work effectively. For example, Paperia, Overleaf, ShareLaTeX, DataZar, LaTeX Base. So these are the various names of online editing tools that supports LaTeX document. So as per the data or study created or conducted by Authoria, it is found that people or the user from, or the writer from, author from mathematics and mathematics and statistics and the physics and computer science are using in large number. You can see the percentage also. Apart from all these people, the people from physics, computer science, engineering, geosciences, ecology, so they are working on various documents with the help of or by using this LaTeX technology. So we will be using this. As I have already mentioned, this LaTeX technology is effective with the help of this online editing tool. For example, Overleaf, DataZar, Paperia and ShareLaTeX. So ShareLaTeX is now part of Overleaf. In the practical session, I will be using Overleaf software or Overleaf editing tool. Overleaf editing tool, is an online collaborative scientific writing and publishing tool. It is designed to make the process of writing, editing and producing scientific papers much quicker for the author. So this is how, if you go in detail and when you explore, various plans on discount are available here, monthly, annually. If you are using for the personal use, it is without any charge, it is available for free. Suppose if you want to work with 10 people on one project, so you need to pay $15 per month and you can access this facility on your in your project. Suppose you are using for the personal use or the professional use, you can go for the third option. Now see, in overleaf.com site you can find various templates are available. So there are various top ranked journal around the globe, for example Springers, Elsewhere, Geophysics, Sage Publications. You can read or you can go and explore various options. So in every section, in every topic, there are various predefined templates are available that you can use to create your document. For example, this is the these are the images I have pasted. So for example, you can see 2-column paper is available, so you can choose this template and write your paper very for any journal. There are various journals, they ask particular or the specific font or the setting to write or to write for their journal, so you can use this LaTeX technology to create that kind of high quality paper. So in this video, overleaf.com, this is the link which you can visit and explore. So this is just the slide I have pasted. The first, this white page, you can see this is the processing page, and the second one is the process or the recompile page, where you can find the PDF or the document copy of your designed paper. So dear friends, in this video we have learned what is LaTeX, what are the features of LaTeX, and various operating or the supporting online editing tools for LaTeX. In the coming video, I will be focusing on the practical demo, how to create your high quality paper with the help of LaTeX technology. So if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.